Charlie Pankey, Sierra Magazine, my buddy Tom here, and we're on a little fall hike. Our first fall hike. We usually get out and do it quite a bit. Today, we decided to join Emma Lake here. We got Emma Peak right there where the sun's coming up, and kind of a horse trail to get up here, about 2 miles, 700 feet elevation, but it's pretty green, kind of greenish color lake. We actually have a lot more trees than I thought we would, so a lot more forest. Tom's up here talking about calculus problems, and I'm up here with my dog, so you know, that's how we all roll. Anyways, hope you had a great day exploring, great time. No fall colors really speak of here. A few bushes turning yellow, mostly pine trees up here anyway. So anyways, where's the trip up? Easy hike, well, easy to moderate hike, I guess. I'm a little tired, but
short but not easy.
It's a bit windy up here though. Have a good day. Welcome to Emma Lake. Just outside the Hoover Wilderness, Humboldt, Coyote. Yeah. Look at flowers, even in the desert.
I guess what is funny is I'm not seeing